Hello everybody. We all know that United Nations have declared 2023 as International Year of Millets. Millets have been an integral part of our daily diet for centuries. So I, Arnav Singh, student of 8D at DAV Rohtak, am going to make a millet recipe. The type of millet I am going to use is Kodo Millet, which is rich in fiber and good for digestion. So let's prepare Kodo Millet vegetable Cheela. So here I have taken 1 cup of Kodo millet, which is brownish in color. We will wash it for 2 to 3 times and we will soak it for 6 hours. So after 6 hours, I am going to strain the millets and grind it into a paste. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of water into it to grind it into a paste. So I have made the millet paste and now I have 2 boiled potatoes and I am going to add it and puree it again. So our Cheela paste is ready. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon heathy and 1 teaspoon salt, and I am going to mix it well. So our Cheela paste is ready. Once my Cheela paste is ready, I have prepared my vegetables also. So I have chopped carrots, beans, ginger, green chili and onions, and now I am going to mix it well. And now I am going to add black pepper powder and some salt and mix it again. Now let's prepare our Kodo Millet Cheela. So let's start making our Cheela. My pan is hot and I am dropping 1 tablespoon oil. Now I am putting my vegetable toppings over it. Now I am going to cover it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I am going to put it over. And now I will cover it. Once it is cooked from other side, it is done. So my Kodo Millet vegetable Cheela is ready. You can serve it with tomato ketchup or mint sauce.